In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we are going to convert flat log footage into a normal Rec709 looking image. Log footage usually appears very flat, low contrast, and washed out because cameras record more dynamic range for color grading. Let's fix that quickly. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for Cineon Converter. Drag and drop the Cineon Converter effect onto your clip. Next, open the Effect Controls panel. Here you'll see several settings that help convert the image. First, look at the conversion type option. Depending on the type of footage you're working with, you can switch between conversion modes such as linear to log or log to linear to get the proper tonal mapping. Next, adjust the 10-bit black point. This controls how deep the shadows appear in the image. Increasing this value will help restore darker blacks. Then adjust the 10-bit white point. Now this controls the brightest parts of the image and helps balance the highlights. You'll also see internal black point and internal white point, which help fine-tune the internal tonal mapping of the image. Now, adjust the gamma value. Gamma mainly affects the midtones, which helps bring life and contrast back to the footage. Finally, adjust highlight rolloff. This controls how smoothly the brightest highlights transition, helping prevent harsh clipped highlights. So as you tweak these settings, you'll notice the flat log footage gradually gaining contrast, depth, and more natural colors. Once the footage looks balanced, you can continue doing additional color grading using Lumetri color if needed. And that's it. You've successfully converted log footage into a Rec709 style look using the Cineon Converter effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.